Good day, learners. You are welcome to Acotem Mathematics Clinic, where we make mathematics easy for everyone. So today, I want to take us through problems involving right angle triangle. What is a triangle? A triangle is a plane shape that involves three sides and three angles. And when we say a right angle triangle, it is a triangle that one of the angles is a right angle, that is angle 90 degree. So let's say, for example, we have something like this. Let's say this angle is angle 43 degree and this angle is angle S, and the question says find S. So let's start by labeling. Let me label this triangle A, B, C. That is, what are the things given here? Here, my angle A is 43 degree. My angle B is the unknown that is given as S. And my angle C is 90 degree. So using my sum of interior angle, in a triangle, the sum of all the three angles in a triangle is known as what? 180 degree. It's given as 180 degree. So what are the three angles? I have my angle A, which is 43 degree, plus angle B, which is S, plus angle C, which is 90 degree. All this gives 180 degree. So when I have this, I now have 43 plus 90, that gives 133, plus S equals 180 degree. Now from here, my S is equal to 180 degree minus 133 degree. Therefore, my S is, when you subtract 133 from 180, I have 47 degree. Therefore, angle at B, that is angle B, is equal to 47 degree. So with this, using sum of interior angle in a triangle, you can get either of the angle. So far, you know this is already 90 degree, and you are given this side as 43. If you are given this side as, let's say, 52, then you still do the same thing. You add the 52 plus the 90, you subtract it from your 180 to get the third angle. I hope this is well understood. So as well, we can also ask to find, let's say, side. Maybe we are given one of the side, and let's take this. Let's say another example. You have this. Alright, so this side is given as 4 centimeter, this side is given as 3 centimeter, and this side is given as S, that is the unknown. We have to find the third side. This is our angle theta. So in doing this, when you are given two sides in a right angle triangle and you have to find the third one, we apply what we call Pythagorean theorem. Now, Pythagorean theorem states that your hypotenuse squared equals your opposite squared plus your adjacent squared. Alright, so here, my hypotenuse is my x, which is unknown. So I have my x squared equals the opposite, which is what? My 4 centimeter all squared, plus my adjacent, which is 3 centimeter all squared. So from here, I have my x squared equals 4 centimeter squared gives 16 centimeter squared, plus my 3 centimeter squared gives 9 centimeter squared. So adding these two together, I have my x squared equals 25 centimeter all squared. So I'm asked to find s and not s squared. Here I have s squared, and the opposite of square is square root. I always tell my students, when you're asked to find s, all you do is you find the opposite. That is, you try to find the square root, and whatever you do to this side, you must do it to this side to balance your equation. So you also have the square root of 25 centimeters squared. Now this square, we cancel this square root, so I'm left with x here. So I have my x equals, the square root of 25 is 5, and square root of centimeter squared is centimeter. Therefore, this hypotenuse side, which is x, is 5 centimeter. So with this, we were able to get the hypotenuse square, which is not given. At times, it is the opposite side that will not be given. You still use your Pythagorean theorem by making the opposite the subject of the formula. Here the opposite is going to be your hypotenuse squared minus adjacent squared. When you apply that, you will get this side. Let's say it's adjacent that you are asked to find. This is going to be your adjacent square equals your hypotenuse squared equals opposite side. So with that, you can get either of the side in a right angle triangle. I hope this is well understood. So for more videos, for more educative videos, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel on Acotem Online Mathematics Clinic. Thank you for watching. Bye.